Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do.
Hi, I hope you're doing great. Let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chart, and you will have the D major composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D, and the F sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of F sharp. And first of all, I suggest that you play the chords like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So you alternate between the bass and the chord, and you play this chart twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, you will be able to move on to the verse, and you will need a new chart and some new chords for that section. So, the B minor composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Then, the G major composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. Then, the A major composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. And if you want to, you can also add the A sus4 composed of the D, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. But it's really up to you, because otherwise you could just play the A major 4 times instead of 2. And keeping the same playing method, it should sound like this.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you, I swear it's true.
And you're gonna play this chart one last time the same way in order to complete the verse.
Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance, I'm right here. If you get lonely, give this song another listen. Close your eyes, listen to my voice, it's my disguise, I'm by your side.
And then you reach the chorus, and you will need a new chart. So let me display it to you right now, and this chart actually offers you 2 possibilities. So either you don't take into account the yellow cases, and if so, you're going to play the basses and the chords 4 times like this.
Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me.
Or you play these yellow cases, which are solo bass notes, and in that case, you're gonna play the bass and the chords 3 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if the bass notes sound too low, you can also shift everything by 1 octave. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me.
You now reach the second verse, and you will be able to play it exactly like the first one with the corresponding chart and playing method. But you could also play these chords using arpeggios. So here's a readapted chart for that verse, and as you can see, everything has been divided by 2. This time you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 on every chord. 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And you continue.
Hey there, Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe me, girl, someday I'll pay the bills. With this guitar, we'll have it good. We'll have the life we knew we would. My word is good.
And just like the first verse, you will play this chord one last time the same way in order to complete the second verse. You will then move on to the chorus, which you could also play using arpeggios. So here's the chord, and let's continue with the lyric.
Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me.
And following this second chorus, you will have a bridge and you will need a new chord. So here it is, and I will resume with pressed chords, but just keep in mind that you can switch to the arpeggio method by dividing everything by 2.
1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along, because we know that none of them have felt this way. Delilah.
And on the lie of Delilah, you're gonna move on to the second section.
Delilah, I can promise you that by the time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same, and you're to blame.
And now you reach the third and last verse, and that very section will be different from the other verses. Here's the corresponding chord, and with the first playing method, it should sound like this.
Hey there, Delilah, you'll be good, and don't you miss me. 2 more years and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do.
And at that moment, you will move on to the second section, which you will play 3 times in a row.
Like I do. You'll know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you.
And just one more thing, in the second section, you can play the B minor 3 times and play the A bass note alone before repeating the section.
Like I do. You'll know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you.
And now you reach the final chorus, which is also going to be different from the previous ones. Here is the corresponding chord, though I'm not going to sing this chorus again, since the only real difference is that you will play this first section 8 times before finishing this song with the D major chord. I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.